Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where the day starts off with some drizzle over the western part of the Eastern Cape and some morning rainfall as we head towards the coast. It's the last day for the heat wave over parts of Limpopo, but there's a special weather advisory for hot and humid conditions over parts of the northern and western Cape. Sunny and hot weather is forecast in the west on Thursday, with a few isolated thundershowers in the northeast. A cold front brings in overcast weather with widespread thunderstorms, particularly over the eastern part of South Africa. There's even a watch for the possibility of heavy rainfall for KZN and the southeastern part of the Eastern Cape. There's also a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms, and that's mainly for the Mpumalanga Highveld. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with the possibility of morning rain over the western part of the Eastern Cape. Widespread thundershowers and showers are forecast for KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern part of Mpumalanga, scattered as we head towards Limpopo and the Eastern Cape, with isolated thundershowers expected in the light shade of blue, and that of course includes Gauteng. Maximum temperatures peak in the mid-30s for Mahikeng, Pretoria and Mbombela, sizzling hot for Palabor at 43 degrees, 37 for Vryburg, and Johannesburg topping 31 degrees. Bloemfontein matches that daytime high with a warm afternoon in Bethlehem at 28 degrees. You'll see a cooler day in KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg with a high of only 21 degrees, 20 degrees for Grahamstown, Umtata and Queenstown. You'll see a gusting south-southwesterly wind for Durban and Richards Bay, with strong winds in the forecast. More of a moderate southeasterly wind for Port Elizabeth and East London. You'll see highs in the mid-20s through to Durban, 27 degrees for Richards Bay, with a 2-metre southeasterly swell at 11 seconds. In the mid-20s for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East, but with a warmer day for the Western Cape, 36 as we head towards Vredendal, 27 for Hermanus with a fresh easterly flow. You'll see a fresh southeasterly wind for Muizenberg with a high of 29 degrees. Strong winds are forecast for Cape Agulhas with a fresh easterly wind from Mussel Bay all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, and along the south coast we can expect a 2-metre southerly swell at 12 seconds. 35 degrees is your high in Uppington with a sunny Thursday in store, 33 for Priska and Kimberley, 29 for Springbok with highs in the mid-20s for Sutherland and Colesberg as well as Alexander Bay. A fresh southerly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay with the southwest as we head towards Lambert's Bay. We're expecting a moderate southerly breeze for Table Bay with a high of 31 degrees for Cape Town, and we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. It'll be a sunny and sizzling hot end to the work week over the western part of the country, with some light rain along the east coast, and you'll see cooler weather with the possibility of thundershowers over the northeastern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.